Hi everyone, welcome to Geek New Zealand. Today we will unbox and check out the HD music receiver and transmitter 2-in-1 device from BlitzWolf, which is the BR4. So let's get into it. BR4 is a 2-in-1 device which can be used as an audio transmitter or an audio receiver. In the transmitter mode, you can turn your TV, laptop, computer into a Bluetooth enabled device. You can listen to audio from your Bluetooth headset and watch movie or play game without interfering anyone. BR4 can also be used in receiver mode to connect your home speaker, stereo system, headphones into a Bluetooth audio device. You can then connect your smartphone or other Bluetooth device and play music wirelessly. It has built-in antenna to support up to 100 meters long range and stable transmission to share your audio from indoors to outdoors. It has a long standby time with built-in battery to get up to 17 hours working time and 175 hours of standby time. Charging is easy via the micro USB port. I tested the device to connect my analog speaker and stream Bluetooth audio from my phone on the speaker, and it worked really well. BlitzWolf make quality products at very affordable prices, and I have reviewed many of their products in the past. Like always, I will post all the details about the product and the links in the description of the video, so please do check it out. Thanks for watching the video. Please do like and subscribe my channel and keep sending me your review request, and I will try my best to do them. Thank you.